Have you ever whispered to a plant, hoping it might hear you? Or felt your heart skip when a new leaf appeared overnight? If you have, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 12 powerful snake plant hacks that will change the way you care for your plant, and maybe even the way you see yourself. So grab a cup of tea, settle in near your green companion, and let's dive in. When I first brought home my snake plant, I tucked it into a dim hallway. It survived, but it just stood there, stiff, still, almost lifeless. Everything changed the day I moved it near a sunny window. Just a couple of hours of gentle light each day. And suddenly, new leaves shot up, taller, greener, stronger. Snake plants don't just want to survive, they want to thrive. Remember this truth: light is life. Plants, like us, lean toward what nourishes them. If light always comes from one side, your snake plant begins to tilt, twist, stretch unevenly. But the fix? A gentle turn. Just rotate your pot every couple of weeks. Think of it as giving your plant a little yoga session. Most snake plants don't die from neglect. They die from too much love. If you've ever seen sagging, mushy leaves, chances are you overwatered. Here's the trick. Stick 2 fingers into the soil, all the way down. If it still feels cool, wait. Snake plants remind us, patience is nourishment. A huge pot may look generous, but for your snake plant, it's overwhelming. They prefer snug roots, grounded, secure. Choose a pot just 1 or 2 inches wider than the root ball. And here's the secret: terracotta. It breathes, it drains, it saves your plant from wet feet. Think of it as a cozy cabin, not a sprawling mansion. Not all dirt is created equal. Ordinary potting soil, too heavy, too wet. Instead, blend 2 parts cactus mix, 1 part coarse sand, and a handful of orchid bark. This is how roots breathe. This is how your plant flourishes. It feels tender to mist, right? But snake plants aren't tropical. They don't want daily spritzes. Instead, give their leaves a gentle wipe with a soft cloth. Think of it as a spa day for your plant. Now let's pause and admire just how diverse snake plants can be. The silvery calm of moonshine, the bold golden edges of Varieties, the deep drama of black coral, and the compact charm of honey. Each one carries a different energy. Which one speaks to you? One of the most magical moments? Noticing a small pup pushing up through the soil. Propagation is simple. Separate it gently, give it fresh soil, or cut a leaf, let it dry and root it in water. Each new plant feels like a gift. In winter, your snake plant rests. Growth slows, water needs shrink. And that's okay. It's not dying, it's recharging. During these months, water sparingly. Skip fertilizer. Avoid repotting. Rest is growth too. Your snake plant isn't just beautiful, it's a purifier. It absorbs toxins and even gives back oxygen at night. Beyond science, many feel a calm presence around them. A silent guardian, a grounded friend. When life feels scattered, your plant can anchor you. Wiping leaves, checking soil, noticing new growth. These tiny rituals bring you back to presence. Not just plant care, but self-care. Where you place your snake plant changes everything. In the bedroom, it purifies while you sleep. By the door, it guards your space. In the office, it brings focus. But always avoid extremes. No drafty windows, no heaters. Snake plants love stability. Just like we do, this might surprise you. Talk to your snake plant. Say good morning. Whisper thanks. Share a secret. Plants may not answer back, but they respond. And something shifts when you see them as more than decor. They become companions, teachers. Connection can be that simple. And there you have it, 12 gentle but powerful hacks. But more than hacks, they're reminders. To slow down, to notice, to grow patiently. Your snake plant is more than decor. It's a quiet teacher. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you next time.